Hello everyone and welcome back! How are you guys? So, I am back with a new video and naisip ko lang while I was walking to tell you a few things on what to bring here in the UK. So, stay tuned! Number 1, the most important thing is don't forget your documents. Huwag masyadong ma-excite sa pupunta dito. But by the way, congratulations on making it throughout those exams. So after that, the first thing is don't forget to bring your documents, birth certificate, school documents, your ano pa bang dinala ko? Gusto yung mga important documents nyo. So don't forget it. Number 2 is heat tech. Magdala po kayo ng heat tech kasi if you're like me who easily gets cold, heat tech is your best friend. So magdala kayo ng heat tech, upper and lower socks. It's really very helpful, especially if you will come here during the winter months. So that would be your best friend. Number 3 is good shoes. Because you will be walking a lot, so you need a pair of good shoes aside sa duty shoes nyo. So for me, I didn't bring a lot. Like I think 2 sneakers lang yata yung dinala ko. Tama ba? Yeah. Isang for running at saka isang for duty shoes. Ay, sorry, 3 pala. And isang white shoes for casual wear na comfy and with good quality para happy naman kayong mamasyal. Number 4, most important actually siya, pera. Magdala po tayo ng pera. It depends on how you spend. Pero I think kasi there are other trusts na nagbibigay sila ng advance, so it depends as well. Just the amount na comfy ka and you feel safe in coming here. I mean, you will feel secure na hindi ka magugutom and all. Basta bring money. Another is bring a 3-pin plug. Yung sa saksakan na it's a 3-pin na adapter. I will show you a picture. Ganyan, kasi iba ang kanilang saksakan dito. So, for you to charge your phone, your tablets, and all your other gadgets. Another is medications, especially kung may maintenance kayo, bring it na. Yung mga, let's say, nasal sprays. Ako nagdala ako ng nasal spray kasi I have rhinitis. So, I had that. And then, yung usual na biogesic, paracetamol, biogesic, baka naman. Another is jacket or coat or sweater or jumper as what they call it here. It's not necessary na bumili kayo ng maraming coat kasi for me I think makakabili din kayo dito and it's less luggage. I mean, less ng weight for your luggage when you come. So one coat is I think good enough naman. Guys, nagdala din po talaga ako ng efficacent and omega and white flower, yung mga BFF natin as a tita. So don't forget, especially if madali lang kayo yung parang masuka or something, bring our BFF. So for now guys, yun lang muna kasi hindi ko na maisip yung iba kong dinala. But don't fret kasi I remember something. I will post naman a new video on tips and other infos about me coming here sa UK in London and kung ano pa yung dinala ko, paano ko ginawa yung mga bagay-bagay. So if you have questions, you can leave your comments and don't forget to like and share this post. Thank you so much and I'll see you